Hello everyone. The easiest situation you can orient yourself in here in the Blender viewer is to get into the habit of not having to press 1-7 from the keyboard. Here you have edge length, turn it on, and you've got everything at 2 meters, you see. We won't cut here at 2, but we'll move a bit now. We'll exit to the screen, Ctrl RE, alright, and now click E, meaning E, and then move it a bit along this axis. You see here you're at -1 if you look in the top right corner, X -1, and then you can move it slowly minus. Hold it, meaning Ctrl R, so these numbers don't jump around. You have it in some places like this, disturbed topology, so too. Tweak, I'll do it deliberately now to show you how to solve it like this. It's quite simple, just switch now, you see how it looks, and you can go into wireframe mode, it's easiest. For you, switch here to group mode. In group mode, adjust the radius to 60, it was at 0.5, and select this smooth option. You see, just like this, and align it to 0.5, it was a bit off, but it's perfect now, and the radius just in case, so you don't miss anything, and the geometry is perfectly used, as it was originally. That's it. Modify bend to bend this object. Maybe it should be divided more. To make bending easier, let's say it's enough, we go with scale width. Now let's try, let's study, we've scaled a bit. Let's see now. Rotate by 90 degrees, 90. And then bend this side here and this one inward. We'll select the object and see what problems arise. Go to deform. There's the bend option, and here's the simplified form. You see this now, bend, bend. Which are related to its bending, nothing, nothing. This is just how I tried to see it by moving the origin. You take options, here's origin, add origin and G, and then move it slightly. It still behaves abnormally. Then rotate. Add I, let's click to C -110, no. I'll go with -90, enter. No. That's roughly how I wanted that rotation to see you have some maintenance here, but I don't know, since you see it's rotated around the gizmo here with XX and When you move this gizmo, you determine the rotation and distortion of the object. Let's switch back to Z and see that. View, allow it, let's go left. Left, right, like this, like this. Like this. Like this. I got the rotation roughly as I wanted because for me this is really somehow. I don't. Understand this. Give it a go, and if you manage to align it with the grid, you'll get a proper shape. It's not something now. Let's look again at the view. If I can, you'll get a fairly correct shape. I wanted to achieve something like this. See where I moved the gizmo. See what happens when I move the gizmo, and actually, I got what I wanted, but let's see now on other axes. See, and on other axes. It's a bit normalized, so to speak. You have rotation almost for a full circle if you want it to 360 degrees. You have a mismatch. Now you have a mismatch on this side. But it's not that important.